Welcome back to Auto Review, your go-to channel for in-depth and honest car reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that continues to evolve in style, technology, and performance. Whether you're considering a daily driver or a family SUV, the 2025 Sportage offers a well-rounded package that deserves your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kia Sportage maintains its bold and futuristic design language that was introduced in the previous generation. At the front, the signature tiger nose grille has been slightly tweaked to appear more aggressive, and it's flanked by striking boomerang-shaped LED daytime running lights. These lights wrap around the full LED headlights, giving the front end a high-tech and confident appearance. The hood features subtle creases that add to the SUV's athletic stance. Around the side, the Sportage boasts sculpted body lines and a sloping roofline that give it a sporty profile. Depending on the trim, you'll find wheel options ranging from 17 to 19 inches, each with distinct designs to match different personalities. The rear is equally bold, with a full-width LED tail light bar that stretches across the tailgate, paired with sharp edges and an integrated spoiler, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Overall, the Sportage stands out in the crowded SUV market with its daring looks and premium styling cues. Moving inside, the 2025 Sportage continues to impress with a cabin that feels upscale and tech-forward. Kia has gone with a minimalist dashboard layout, dominated by a curved panoramic display that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen into one seamless unit on higher trims. Lower trims still get a respectable 8 to 12-inch screen, depending on the configuration. The user interface is responsive and intuitive, and the inclusion of physical buttons for climate control is a smart move that enhances usability. The materials used throughout the cabin are surprisingly premium for this segment. Soft-touch plastics, leatherette, and even real leather on higher trims contribute to a refined atmosphere. Ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury at night, while the panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin and gives it an airy feel. Space-wise, the 2025 Sportage excels. Front seats are comfortable and supportive, ideal for long drives, and there's ample legroom and headroom for rear passengers. Thanks to its extended wheelbase, the rear seats offer some of the best space in the segment. Cargo capacity is generous, offering up to 39.6 cubic feet behind the second row and over 74 cubic feet with the seats folded down. That makes it not just stylish, but also practical for families or weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Sportage offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's a smooth and efficient combo, suitable for daily commuting and light road trips. For those who want more power or better fuel efficiency, there's a hybrid version featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor, producing a combined 227 horsepower. And for the eco-conscious drivers, the plug-in hybrid variant pushes that further with up to 261 horsepower and an estimated electric-only range of around 34 miles. All-wheel drive is available on most trims, and it enhances the Sportage's versatility, especially in wet or snowy conditions. On the road, the Sportage delivers a composed and comfortable ride. The suspension is well-tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections without feeling too soft. Steering is precise, and while it's not the sportiest SUV in the class, it's certainly competent and confidence-inspiring. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models are particularly impressive with their quiet operation and seamless transition between electric and gas power. Technology and safety are also strong points. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though only on the smaller screen, which is a bit of a quirk. Higher trims offer a premium Harman Kardon audio system, built-in navigation, a surround view camera, and a head-up display. On the safety front, the Sportage includes Kia's DriveWise suite as standard across all trims. This includes forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. It's a great value when you consider how many of these features are optional in rival models. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Kia Sportage starts at around $28,000 for the base LX trim, which is well equipped out of the gate. The X and X line trims hover around the $30,000 to $33,000 range, adding more features and all-wheel drive options. The SX Prestige and X Pro Prestige trims, which offer luxury-level appointments and advanced tech, can climb close to $39,000. Hybrid models start around $31,000, and the plug-in hybrid models begin in the low $40,000 range, qualifying for potential federal tax credits depending on your location. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia Sportage is a standout in the compact SUV segment. With its bold design, premium interior, multiple powertrain options, and strong tech and safety offerings, it delivers exceptional value. Whether you're looking for style, practicality, efficiency, or a little bit of everything, the Sportage has something to offer. That's it for today's review here on Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.